Imagine a world where AI could predict stock market trends. Would we all be millionaires? Artificial intelligence, or AI as we fondly call it, is an astonishing blend of science and technology that has been revolutionizing various sectors. Its capabilities are mind-boggling, and its potential seems almost limitless. Now, what if we applied this incredible technology to predicting stock market trends? AI operates using complex algorithms and machine learning. It devours vast amounts of data, and like a master chef, it processes, analyzes, and eventually serves us with predictions, all in a fraction of the time it would take a team of human analysts. In the stock market, this could mean anticipating market trends and movements with a precision that's simply beyond human capacity. So, if this is our reality, where AI can predict stock market trends with such accuracy, what does this mean for us, the investors? The stock market, a complex, ever-changing beast, could it be tamed by AI? Imagine an entity that could sift through mountains of financial data, analyze historical trends, recognize patterns, and make predictions about the future of the stock market. That's the potential power of artificial intelligence. AI could be the ultimate tool for stock market analysis. It can process vast amounts of data at lightning speeds, something that even the most proficient human analysts can't match. From analyzing earnings reports, economic indicators, to social media sentiments, AI can take in all these diverse data points and forecast market trends. But it's not just about speed and volume. AI can also learn and adapt. As it gets more data, it refines its models, making its predictions more accurate over time. This ability to learn from past performance and adjust for future predictions is what sets AI apart. But can AI truly predict the unpredictable? Let's delve deeper. The potential of AI in predicting stock market trends sounds promising, but is it really that simple? Let's take a step back and examine the nitty-gritty of this proposition. While AI is adept at analyzing vast quantities of data and spotting patterns, it also has inherent limitations. For instance, the stock market is not merely a number-crunching machine. It's a complex ecosystem influenced by a myriad of factors, including political developments, global events, and economic indicators. Unforeseen events like geopolitical conflicts or natural disasters can send shockwaves through the market, and these are elements that AI, in its current form, cannot predict. Moreover, the stock market is a human construct, and humans are, well, notoriously unpredictable. Our decisions are not always rational or based on data. Emotions, intuition, and gut feelings often play a significant role in stock trading. And while AI is getting better at understanding human behavior, it is not yet capable of fully comprehending the capricious nature of human decision-making. Another critical point to consider is that stock market predictions are not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Different investors have different risk tolerances, investment horizons, and financial goals. An AI model that might work splendidly for a risk-loving day trader might not suit a risk-averse long-term investor. It's also worth noting that while AI can analyze historical data and use it to forecast future trends, the past does not always predict the future. Just because a certain stock has performed well in the past doesn't mean it will continue to do so. The market is in constant flux, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize stock market predictions, it's not a silver bullet. It can't replace the need for human judgment, intuition, and a deep understanding of the market's complexities. So, if AI can't make us all rich, what is its real value in the stock market? Well, that's a question for the next scene. Stay tuned. While AI may not make us all millionaires, it certainly has its place in the stock market. The true value of artificial intelligence lies not in its ability to predict the future, but in its capacity to automate tasks, analyze data, and aid in decision-making processes. Imagine a tool that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, spotting trends and patterns that would take humans weeks to discern. That's the power of AI. AI doesn't replace traders, it empowers them. It helps them make informed decisions by providing a wealth of information that would be impossible to process manually. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly crunching numbers and presenting you with the most relevant insights. But remember, AI is only a tool, not a guarantee of success. It can't predict the future, and it certainly can't make decisions for you. You're still the one in the driver's seat. In the world of stock market trading, AI is not a magic wand, but a powerful tool, aiding us in navigating the complex world of stocks and shares.